Hello, today I'm going to talk about shapes. Well, specifically 3D shapes. So let's start off with this simple triangle thing. A tetrahedron, or a triangle-based pyramid, but that takes an unnecessarily long time to say. So just call it a tetrahedron. It's one of the 5 platonic solids, and it's the most basic one. It also has the smallest amount of sides for a 3D shape, which is 4. Similar to how a triangle is the most basic 2D polygon, having 3 sides. Overall, a tetrahedron is a very basic, simple shape. Not in a bad way, so that's about it for a tetrahedron, I guess. Moving on, a cube is another quite elegant shape, so it is used in a lot of things. It has 6 sides, like how a dice has numbers 1 to 6 on it, and it backwards is a book. I don't know, forget about that. It is yet again another platonic solid, and it just looks nice. Forget about that as well. And now we can move on to our next shape. Okay, so those are some very simple shapes. So let's talk about some cooler stuff you may never have heard of. So next is a rhombicosidodecahedron. Wait, what? A rhombicosidodecahedron. A rhombicosidodecahedron. It doesn't matter. Please ignore if I got that wrong. So it's a very complex shape that I have no idea who discovered its existence. It looks interesting, and I can't imagine if it has any uses, unlike the first 2 I listed. Yeah, maybe I should list things that are interesting, but not too nerdy.